Yo guys, I'm getting my 2019 Mustang GT Premium fully ceramic coated, guys. Today's gonna be an awesome video. We're headed to RAD Automotive Detail in Edmond, Oklahoma. My boy Josh is gonna take care of us, and so I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey. I'm gonna get the whole process down, and it's like a super freaking nice coat. I think it's like a 2-3 year coat. So anyway guys, without further ado, oh yeah, I'm Phil, BLP3 Motors. Without further ado, let's get this going. All right guys, so we made it, and it's been like thunder, lightning, crazy torrential downpour, and stock tires, you know, with torrential downpour makes for a really scary drive. But anyway, we made it here, so let's go check out Josh and see what the plan is for today. And I'm really excited to show this for you guys, and we're gonna have a cool like money shot scene where this whole thing's done. I've been working on some of my editing, so I hope you guys like it. All right Josh, so we have the car in the bay. We're ceramic coating it. So what goes into the ceramic coating? What are we doing on the car today?
Yep, so it's a pretty lengthy process, but the first step, we're gonna wash the car and just make sure we get all the loose debris off. Once that's done, we're gonna dry everything, go through and inspect for different kinds of contamination, such as like rail rust, fallout, you know, any overspray, anything like that. Once we identify those defects or items, we're gonna go through and clay bar, use an iron and fallout remover. Once that's done, the paint will be in like a polishable state or a pure state where there's no contamination on the surface. We'll go through, we'll polish out any defects, apply any kind of touch-up paint around the vehicle if it's needed. We'll use an isopropyl alcohol or a prep spray to wipe it down and make sure all the oils and polish is off, and then after that's done, we'll get into coating. Sweet.
So that coating, how long does it last, the coating that we're getting?
So the one we're putting on today is a 3-year coating. It's CC105 from Total Auto Solutions. Ooh. 3 years with a 5-year life expectancy as long as Phil takes good care of it.
Okay, awesome. So how does the car look? Are we in like terrible shape? I mean, the car's relatively new.
No, I think, you know, overall, man, this is a lot, you know, this is the condition a lot of cars come to us in. You know, usually a little more scratches, but your typical bugs, your typical road debris and road grime.
So I was driving in like torrential downpour and through construction. Is this tar? Is this like tar crap or?
Yeah, it definitely could be just some soot, some, you know, remaining stuff that's just loose on the road.
Okay.
Really where we want to check for tar is going to be all down this side, because we catch it on our wheels, it comes up, hits here, and splashes up the side. So it does look like we have some spots of tar here all down the side though. Crazy.
I-40 is a kind of a bear. I know a lot of people are like from California, so they don't know I-40.
Yeah.
But I-40 is like crazy construction, and there's just crap flying everywhere. And that's how I got my dent.
Yeah. Did you get that fixed?
No, not yet.
Man, that's all right. Yeah, so again, I mean, you know, we're gonna hit the high traffic areas. We got a lot of bugs on the mirror. Down here by the wheel wells, this here is referred to as the bottom 12, and this is where majority of our debris and contaminants are gonna be. So,
okay.
You know, big thing, when we're washing, we wanna start top to bottom, man. Just make sure we don't drag any of that stuff up. Get rid of all that tar, all those hard, you know, stuck on things, and make sure it's clean and ready to roll. Cool.
All right, guys, so let's cue the cinematic movie sequence, because I'm not going to let you guys watch that stuff that's mundane, like cleaning. So we're going to make it look really, really cool. And, dude, I actually edit video and do some stuff like that. So we're going to practice and show you guys right now. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so the car has been decontaminated, it has been washed, it has been like sexified, and I think you say that in a non-sexual way, right? It's this
for sure.
Thing is sexy looking, but we're gonna do a walk around real quick. I'm gonna show you, and then what's the next step again?
The next step, we're gonna cut the lights down, check for different kind of defects we need to polish out. And
Okay.
make sure we bring it up to spec before we coat it.
So we're putting on some makeup. That's the next step. Yeah, let's walk around.
So here before we had all kinds of road contaminants. Remember we had like the tar all around the car. All that's gone.
Dude, this thing looks so nice.
It's so slick to the touch too. I mean, there's nothing on here anymore. Made sure we came into all these channels, got around everything, brushed out all the vents, make sure there's no like dirt and debris in there.
Dude, I don't think I've ever seen the car this shiny.
No, and this prep work is the key to a coating working well. So there's a lot of things out there that, you know, people talking about what you need to do and what you don't need to do and so on and so forth. And we kind of talked about it off camera.
Right.
We clay the whole car every time, right? Because if there's contaminants on the surface, the coating's not gonna perform as well. This makes sure the coating's gonna bond great and perform well, great hydrophobic.
Dude, I cannot believe how shiny these tires are and these rims. Dude, they were not this clean from the dealership. Like, it's insane.
It's awesome, man. And that's all attributed to, you know, we can see we haven't cleaned back here yet. We'll get to that later on in the video, but all this here, there's brake dust that builds up. And so using the right cleaners, the right chemicals and allowing those to work to your advantage. Here on black rims, high brake dust, we want to use an iron and fallout remover. It's going to break down all that brake dust that gets stuck on there over time that a degreaser or just a dedicated wheel cleaner may not touch, depending on how long it's been on there. And, you know, as you saw in the video, it was minimal scrubbing effort, just real light with a brush, rinse it off, and we were done.
Looks good, man.
Absolutely. So once we get everything done, we'll cut the lights, we'll check the paint and inspect it. Being a newer car, we'll see if we can find anything on here that really needs to be polished, and I'm sure we can.
Cool. Alright guys, so we are officially we are officially entering into our last leg of this detail experience, the ceramic coating. And so we've got some fun products to show you guys for the ceramic coating. We've done all this work just to coat, and the coat is the quickest part. So Josh, tell us a little bit more about the coat, about the product. What are we putting on here?
Yeah, so we're gonna be using a local brand to Oklahoma. It's from Next Level Coatings. The product we're putting on the paint is CC105.
Get it.
This is a 3-year warranted coating with a 5-year life expectancy as long as Phil takes good care of his car. We're gonna send him post-care instructions so he knows how to do that. Also, we're gonna link some products for him to be able to buy from us to support that.
Oh, boom.
After that, we're gonna be putting Glass Shield, also from Next Level Coatings up in Tulsa. Glass Shield is for all the windows. We're gonna put it on the windshield so when Phil drives up here in a rainstorm next time, it is much easier to see.
It's a little blurry. Guys, can you see that? Hold on, let me grab that. It's blurry. Why is it blurry? Guys?
It might have coating on it.
No, it's like it's just the lens is being weird. All right, guys. Well, I'll put the links in the description.
Sweet.
So if you guys want to pick up any of this stuff, I'm gonna have the link in the description below. We're gonna have a code to hook you guys up with so that you guys can say, hey, we sent you there, because our friends like to know that our friends know about our friends. Yep. That all worked. That made sense.
If you go to the Apple Store, Android Store, you can get on there. It's called Detail Supply app. You can download the app right on your phone, buy right through there.
Oh, sweet. Well, guys, without further ado, let's get coding. All right, guys. So it looks like we're done, man. So Josh is gonna do the celebratory hydro. What do you call it? Hydro test.
Yeah, the hydrophobic test.
Hydrophobic. I was trying to look for the word. Couldn't remember it.
Not hydroponic.
Hydroponic. All right, let's take a look.
All right, so when a customer comes in, they pick up their car, one of the things we, explain to them is the hydrophobics of the car. So that's the surface being scared of water. That's where we kind of demonstrate it, show off the capabilities of coating. So let's do that now. We're gonna wet it with an indirect stream, kind of create some beads here, and we can see all those rolling straight off the car.
Dude, that's crazy.
So before, in our first shots, everything was flat. There was no beads. So that's what we look for on a hydrophobic, coated car.
Yeah.
So we'll hit it with some air real quick just so you can see what it looked like driving down the road with a wet car.
This is some quality hydroponic. Oh, dude. It's just gone.
There are these big beads here, and actually this is like, watch, it's gonna roll right off, all the way down to the bottom.
Oh, that's insane.
So, make bigger beads. The last thing we do is just showing how you can dry a car with water, so we'll re-wet it here. We'll dry this part down. We've got our deionized water tank here. We create a steady stream. We're just gonna start at the top and work our way across.
So we got some bead action here, and he's about to dry the car with water. That is insane. Dude, there's no beading whatsoever.
Not afterwards, man. This is just how well it sheets. We hit like the gas store, we might get some beads left over, but we'll chase those down here.
Dude. That's nuts.
There we have perfectly dry to the touch panel.
Look at that. Beads up there, no beads. This is where he started sheeting. That's insane. I feel like I have a brand new car.
Oh, this is a brand new car. This is one of those like kids you should try it at home.
Yeah. Dude, that's nuts. That's nuts. So let's pull this baby out.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright guys, so we're outside. We just did the walk around of the vehicle. It looks amazing. Big thank you, Josh. RAD Automotive Detailing. RAD Auto Detailing?
Yep.
RAD Auto. I keep saying automotive. I feel like
That's
I
okay.
just like longer words.
It's RAD Detailing, man.
RAD Detailing, Edmond, Oklahoma, guys. If you guys want this package is available. I'm gonna have a link in the description below. You can book book an appointment with him. All the pricing is there. It's so easy to use, and I think he's one of the only detailers in town that has such a freaking organized system. Organized. So you can show up at the right time. Everything's taken care of. You can even pay online. That's so freaking cool. If you guys are interested in any of the products that we were using today, you guys can also buy them below and link. Or if you want a professional to install them, I vote that route. But I mean, there's some really cool supplies where you can clean your car, foam, soap, and all that jazz. So we'll have the link in the description below, and I'll also have the code there. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I know I enjoyed shooting this. I know I enjoyed hanging out with Josh. But guys, we will see you soon, and there'll be a lot more detailed videos. I say detailed videos, or detailing videos. There'll be a lot more detailing videos coming up. Testing out new products, showing you cool stuff to help you keep your awesome ride even more awesome, because it's awesome when it comes out of the dealership, but you don't know how awesome it could be until you have a detailing done on your car. So anyway guys, I've rambled, but I love you guys, appreciate you guys, hope you guys enjoyed the cool shots, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't liked the video, please like the video and subscribe if you are new. But guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one.